everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to test out the Imethod Beauty Lip Plumper. So I have seen a ton of videos showing their eye stamp for their brows, and this brand actually sent me an email, reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try one of their products, and I got to choose. So I chose this because I haven't seen really that much about the Lip Plumper Kit. So yeah, I'm going to try this. I did take a before picture and then we'll do an after picture to see how it works. But this kit comes with two plumpers. There is a day plumper and a night plumper. And I did wear the night plumper last night. The night one was more like an oil, like more of a treatment, offers moisture, and I did get a slight tingle, but nothing too intense with the night one. And the day one I did put on yesterday, and I do want to say it was spicy, but nothing too unbearable. Like, I was able to keep it on, but I didn't do like a before after photo. So I want to do that today to see, you know, how it plumps. And I've always been self-conscious about my lips. I have like a smaller upper lip, so we'll see how it works. I don't notice any scent, so that's good. And let's do this. I'll add some more for the top lip. So right away, I notice it's gloss, like it's more of like a gloss, not sticky at all. It feels moisturizing, and I am starting to get like that slight tingle, or I would say it kind of like, it's more like spicy. I've never tried the Too Faced lip injections, but I wonder if it's similar. But this one is more affordable. And I do believe Imethod has their own website, and they also have an Amazon storefront. And I looked up the price and it's around $13. It does say in the packaging that you may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave this on, I would say like 10 minutes, and I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to do an after photo and show you before and after, and we'll see how this plumps. Okay guys, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so it's actually been a little more than 10 minutes. I've been gone for about 20. I was looking at the before and after photo, and I actually see a difference. I'll show you guys right now. But I feel like my upper lip definitely looks a little plumper, and it looks like my lines are smoothed out as well. And I do see, like, I have a reddish tint to my lips, and that could be because of the plumper. It, like, how plumpers work, it like brings your blood towards your lips, and it creates like this puffy appearance, and it's usually temporary, but I definitely feel like it works. If you have sensitive skin, I would stay clear, because you do get a tingling sensation, and it's been about 20 minutes and I still feel that sensation, but I do notice a difference. It's not huge, it's not a huge difference, but I definitely could tell a difference. And yeah, I think this is, I like it. I feel like it's like a natural plump. But yeah, if you guys have tried this, let us know how you like it down below. And thank you, Imethod Beauty, for sending this to me so I could try it. I thought it was fun doing this video. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.